The Cooperative Research Centre for Catchment Hydrology undertakes research of direct relevance to land and water managers. The centre's performance is linked to the level of adoption of its research outcomes, and the CRC commits a substantial component of its annual budget to ensure success in this area. This award-winning project forms part of the Urban Stormwater Quality Programme, led by Associate Professor Tony Wong at Monash University. Traditionally, water managers have designed stormwater drains to carry water away from urban areas as quickly as possible to minimise the threat of flooding and disease. Stormwater was discharged untreated directly into our bays and rivers. In the 1990s, urban stormwater was identified as a significant source of pollutants and recognised as a threat to the viability of productive Australian natural waters. Around this time, the concept of water-sensitive urban design was born, a sustainable drainage system that reduces the impacts of urban areas and improves stormwater quality before it reaches our lakes, waterways and bays. However, industry was reluctant to apply the concept without a sound technical basis. The CRC's research has provided this foundation. Water-sensitive urban design involves many aspects. For example, instead of being piped away, stormwater from roads and houses is collected in shallow grass channels called swales, where the filtering process begins. Runoff percolates through a network of gravel trenches designed to absorb pollutants and filter the stormwater. The water collects in perforated pipes and passes to a wetland. Water moves through the wetland and more pollutants are removed as it passes through a system of wetland plants. Eventually, the clean water is returned to a lake or river. This system can remove up to 80% of phosphorus, 60% of nitrogen, and 90% of suspended solids from stormwater. Through the CRC's national strategy of raising awareness and targeting industry practitioners, the widespread application of water-sensitive urban design principles in urban areas has started. Lynbrook Estate at Lyndhurst, southeast of Melbourne, is the first large-scale residential estate in Australia to incorporate water-sensitive urban design for stormwater quality improvement. The first two stages of a three-stage $15 million development using water-sensitive urban design are complete.
Here at Lynbrook, we have achieved a quantum leap forward in urban stormwater management. This certainly wouldn't have been possible without the assistance of the CRC. We've created a stormwater management system that's commercially viable and will therefore be broadly applied across industry. Indeed, in our own industry awards where the system was recognised, the judges noted that this was the way of the future.
There's no higher priority for Melbourne Water than looking after Melbourne's waterways and bays. Our association with the CRC in the Lynbrook Estate project allowed us, or gave us, the courage to actually go ahead and make some fairly courageous decisions early in this project. From our point of view, the project's been a resounding success. It's something, a model that we can base future projects on. These sort of things are only possible when authorities work with cooperative research centres, work with local government, work with industry to create a better way of living. It's an exciting project. It isn't yet finished and it's the basis for more projects like this in the future.
This project involves close collaboration to ensure research outcomes are developed with the needs and vision of key stakeholders in mind. The end result? Rapid adoption of new technology and a sound basis for industry to make innovative decisions in stormwater management with confidence. In a relatively short time, water-sensitive urban design is changing the face of our urban developments and one day may be part of every new Australian suburb.